So we got a package. 165, what? 650 watts. I'm sorry, it's like 11 or something. First we gotta open it. Ow! I think I just scratched myself. I did not scratch myself, but ta-da. Gigabyte of what? Power supply manual. Snack. I present to you the Gamer Station with a mighty fine collection of stickers.
Don Cougars in mission!
Just so I don't lose you guys. Come here. Ooh, on the box. I didn't get the other one. Hold on. There we go. Ta-da. There we go. I need a screwdriver. In the box you go. Those are terminated in there. I have to cut them? Well, looks like I am forfeiting my my RGB. Ah, delectable. This one. Easier to get that through than I thought it would be. Now I'm gonna pull a real gamer move and shove everything in there like iPower did. Pro gamer move. Magical smoke, don't come out. Okay. Anywho, I am now all prepped for a new graphics card, which should be here tomorrow. Why didn't I just unplug it from the other power supply? I didn't need RGB anyway. It's here. A lot of bubble wrap, which I really hoped there was. Yeah, need that. Open sesame. Well, would you look at that? MSI GTX 1050 Ti. That should be fine. Here is my new 2060. Ta-da! But now comes time to install it. That does mean it's in there. There we go. It's probably screwed in. So let's prop it up and boot it up. It looks like a brick in there. No magical funny noises. Let's power it on. All settings were reset to default values. Oh, I would have not really preferred that, but let's go into BIOS, I guess. Bah. It'll boot, probably. I've not made any changes. But I didn't do it. Wow. When it said exit, it really meant exit. What in tarnation is a base system device? 2 hours? Oh, that kind of makes sense. It's Steam that Steam's downloading them. How did I know? Can I not open settings, please? Am I not allowed? Am I not allowed to set the ings or something? My slow internet prevails! Hurry! Took you long enough. But when you do a graphics update, you should always go to custom, and when it loads finally, perform a clean installation, and then install it. So it'll delete and reinstall instead of just installing on top. RTX, RTX, RTX. I'm 2 years late to this trend, but RTX on! I'm actually 4 years late to this trend. RTX on! I hope you enjoyed this little expedition that me and you went on. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the like button.